Hello, this is Abhishek Tiwari from JIT Computer College, Simariya, Seedhi, Madhya Pradesh. Today we are talking about elements of HTML. In last video we cover concept of HTML, introduction of HTML and benefits of HTML, and also we had completed one file as a example or as a practical. Now today we talk about what are the elements of HTML. So first you clear anything what you write on HTML file, we call all those things elements. Means anything written inside HTML file is called elements. Maybe this is tag or content depends on file, but basically elements is the part of HTML file which is written inside file. So main thing you remember here, tags and content are the elements of HTML file. I choose this topic from third unit of internet and e-commerce, and this subject belongs to IT sector especially. Means doesn't matter you are pursuing in DCA, PGDCA, BCA, MCA, doesn't matter. HTML use everywhere. If you want to make our website, first we know HTML. So this is basic needs. Then after this we move to our point, elements of HTML. Already I explained anything written inside our HTML file, we call them elements of HTML, and example are tags and content. With the example of title tag, you clear what is element. So you see here, this is title open tag and this is title close tag, and I write something here. So this title is tag element. Which element? Tag element. And welcome to JIT is content element. Means inside our file only two things are present, our tag element and content. First one is our tag element and second one is content. So after this HTML also divide their element into three parts, tag or elements into three parts. So we talk about line by line or one by one. You see, first one is container tag or container element. Actually both are same thing, but depends on people. Sometimes they use element or sometimes they use tag. What do you like? You can use it either tag or either element. So container tag or container tag. Inside container tag or element, all those type of tags come which had to close, open or close. Means in pair, means any tag which have pair. You see here title have pair, open and close. 1, 2, open and close. Means any tag which is written on file in pair is called container tag. You see here the head tag is open here and head tag is close here. Same thing in title, same thing in body, same thing in HTML tag. All these tags are container tag or container element. Second one is empty tag or empty element. Empty tag or empty element. In empty element, any tag where we no need to close it. We have many tags inside a HTML file. in HTML or HTML file, no need to close these type of tags. And the best example are image tag or BR tag, break line tag. We call this break line. It's a image tag. With the help of this tag we can set image on our web page, and with the help of this break line we can break our line. Suppose that this is written here, if you want to break from here, we use this BR tag here in here you can use, or I show all those things in practically, you get more clear. After that the third one is nested tag or nested element. We also call this root tag or root element. Nested tag or root element means when one tag contain another tag, tag inside tag, tag inside tag. Best example is HTML. Best example is HTML. By this example, you see here we are opening HTML tag here and we are closing here. So inside this HTML tag, lots of tags are present. First one is head, second one is body, third one is image, fourth one is break line, fifth one is title, tag inside tag. So HTML is root tag, because we start writing our file, HTML file, by HTML tag. So we called HTML tag is root tag or nested tag. Head tag is a container tag. Why it's container tag? Because we are opening it and closing it. But you see here, image tag is empty tag, because we are not closing, we are opening here, but you are not closing anywhere. You see, we are not using any slash sign to close it. So image tag is empty tag, head tag is container tag, title tag is also container tag, body tag is also container tag, HTML tag is root tag or nested tag. I want to show how to use image tag or how to use BR tag in our file. In last video I told, if you want to create your file, you need editor. Doesn't matter you have Notepad or WordPress. I have Notepad, so I use this. First you open this, start from HTML tag. Open, then rule, close it. When you open any tag, you need to close it. First one is HTML, then second one is head. These are basic tags. We already talked about all these tags. You see here, I'm writing some content element. Actually these are tag or as well as element, and right now I'm writing some content element. Content element is what? Welcome to GIT. Oh, sorry, something is missing here. I'm writing this content in title, so I use title tag. Open title tag and close title tag. First you open title tag and then close it. Our head tag is not closed, so first we close our head tag Hmm? Written in correct manner, otherwise you will face some problem when you run your file. Then after this I use body tag. Or body element. Open it and close. I also add some content here. See here. So before using image tag or a BR tag, first we run it and check it. File, save. I save this in E drive. In E drive, and my folder is element of HTML, and the name of file is test element.html. Here you see I am taking this extension. Never forget to write this extension, otherwise your file will not run. So you remember it. Then after this I am saving this. Okay, we need to run it. E drive, open this folder elements of HTML, right click on file, open with Chrome. You see here what we written inside title is showing here, in tab, and what we written inside body, this is showing inside page. So right now I'm trying to use here BR. Suppose that I want to break this line from here. What I should do, I will put here what BR tag. Save it, refresh your web page. You see, when we place BR here, we get some new line. After that I put one more BR tag here. You see, I want to set here an image. So what I should do, I will use image tag, img, and then src. You see here, this is image tag, and this is attribute we are using inside image tag. We talk about this src in next video. Actually, this is a source. The full form of src is source. source means address where our image is saved. So I choose one image. This is saved here. This is saved here in GIT pic. First I copy address and paste here. After that name of file and extension. The name of file is GIT pic and the extension is JPEG. GIT pic and the extension is .jpeg. Save it. Refresh your browser. Yeah, you see here our image is showing. So in this video we know what are the basic elements of HTML, how many types of elements, and we use two new tag. First one is image and BR, and they are empty tag. And in next video we complete another point. If you like it, you join in next video. If you want to learn in Hindi, you can move down. Everything is written here in Hindi, and video is also in Hindi. So if you have any query, if you want to ask any question, you can ask me, or you can comment on video or in this blog website. Okay, we meet in next video. Have a nice day.